Okay guys, so I'm back. My camera did something and turned off because I was taking too long to unpause it. And this is what I got to as an end result. It's like not that bad, honestly. I'm not gonna be pausing it anymore, like right now, till I get something to find out what's wrong with my camera. And right now, I'm just like playing around with it and trying to get the rest of it out of the bowl to make my white slime. Because that's what I'm doing, because I have a feeling that it's the dye that's making it all bad. Because this one isn't that bad, if I'm being like honest. The color is pretty cute. It doesn't have that swirl that I wanted because I forgot how to do it. I think either way, it's like not the best slime. None of them is the best slime, honestly. I'm not just talking about one that got really bad. It's just this one was really good, but it's not like really bad. I don't know why. So yeah. And my camera just like left me because I paused it. So yeah, I don't have a lot of time. So I'm just gonna bunch that up and make the white slime. And that's it for this video. I'm gonna have to go delete some stuff and then post some things. So I'm just gonna put some white glue. Just put it in the white glue. And to see if it's just my terrible skills, to see if it's the kit or if it's just the dye. We'll find out. It could also be the glue, you never know. So I'm just gonna start mixing it up. It's starting to get color in it. That's exactly what I thought because of the water. I think it's the water that's adding color to it. I don't want it to be. Well, that's bad. That's bad. I added a lot of activator in that one. Or it's just that it's clumping up. It might be that it's clumping up. Because of the activator's clumping it up, I think. It could just be the activator. Or it could be the dye. I haven't finished making it yet. So yeah. What I have so far is a big clump of white slime. It's just like disgusting. And it's about to become stretchy. I know it, so I'm just going to take it out. See, I don't know what it is. Because it's not good slime. Like, honestly, the last time I made this, it was really good slime. Maybe if I just let it sit for a second, it got clumpy. And it got colored. Because of the dye and water that I accidentally did. So I'm just going to get some of my hand in here. Just start playing with it. And then there's still glue in here, like, honestly. So I'm just trying to pick up the last bit of glue there, and then we shall be done, and we'll do a recap, and we'll be done. So this is the white slime, which didn't turn out white. Oh yeah, I don't know why I did that. It's really bad. I don't really like it. I might just leave them all out for like a minute and then show you them in the next video. Looks like a clumpy out brain. My foot feels like I'm like pushing it and like I just can't feel that. It's so weird. And then this is the most recent one we made with the pink and purple. That one's rippy. Pokiness is okay, I guess. This is our purple one. Which I guess isn't that bad. Like, honestly, for being honest. If you be gentle with it, it's like, it's rippy though. I don't like it. This pink one looks nice. It just lays out like that. It looks so nice. Like, it looks so stretchy and so much fun to play with. But it's not. So that is the color. And yeah, so I'm just gonna start show you. It's like this corally color. It's pretty good. I would rate this a 7 out of 10 because I really like the color. It's kind of stretchy. It's pokey. Not the best slime though, so yeah. I rate this one, this like pink and purple one, a 4 out of 10 because it is not very good. It's kind of stretchy, but it's like better than that failed slime, the failed facial mask slime. So we have this one, which is getting better. Like honestly, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10 because it's like, oh my god, my foot is so weird. Like it makes the weirdest sound. Do you see that? It's like I'm not even touching it. Oh my god, I don't feel that. I did not feel that. It felt like my foot didn't even touch it. I just freaking banged my foot and it's like my foot didn't. Oh my god, I just banged my foot against metal and it's like my foot didn't even touch it. That's so weird. But enough about that. 5 out of 10. Not very good, but I kind of like the color. It's pretty nice. So yeah. And then the last one, which is this purple one, and I don't like it at all. I like the color, so I'm going to give it also a 4 out of 10. And then the failed facial mask slime is 0 out of 10. So yeah. Oh, now it's getting stretchier, but I'm about to end the video. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more, and if you want to see me not sick, and if you want to see more videos, I also have lots of videos to come, and I have lots of more things I got for Christmas. And I'm about to bang my foot against the middle again to see if it's undumb. Okay, it's undumb. Ow. Not that undumb, though. Ow, that hurt. Okay, I'm gonna stop that. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. And